In this video, I'll show you how to set up Google Merchant Center. Start by signing into your Google Merchant Center account. If you're creating a new account, enter your business name, country, and time zone, then continue with the setup. Next, complete your business information by adding your website, business address, and customer service details if requested. After that, verify and claim your website by following the steps provided in Merchant Center. If your website is already verified through another Google service, this step may be completed automatically. Now go to Products and choose how you want to add your products. You can sync them from an e-commerce platform like Shopify or WooCommerce, upload a product file, or use the Google Content API. Next, review your shipping and return policies under Shipping and Returns. Then configure your tax settings if they're required for your country. After your products have been imported, review the Needs Attention section to fix any product errors or warnings before your listings become eligible. Finally, link your Merchant Center account to Google Ads if you plan to run shopping campaigns or Performance Max campaigns. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up Google Merchant Center. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.